For years, these rooms powered customer support, thousands of calls, endless queues, scripted conversations. But slowly, the model started breaking. Costs rose. People didn't just hate bad service. They hated waiting for it. Traditional call centers trained customers to expect delays, transfers, and repeat explanations. And eventually, people in a world of instant everything, every answered call came with a cost. Not just money, human energy. Pressure became burnout. And burnout became one of the biggest reasons the old call center model couldn't survive.
Hello? I'm calling about a double charge.
I see. Let me transfer you.
Again, this is the third time.
I'm sorry, that's not my department. Forget it. Long before call centers became outdated, they became too traditional call centers were costly even when they worked. And then came the bigger problem, constant turnover. It priced itself out of the future.
Thank you for calling. How can I assist you today?
I've been waiting forever. This is ridiculous. I understand your frustration.
Let me see what I can do.
Scripted service started feeling like outdated service. For decades, the headset was the icon of support, a voice waiting to help, a person on the other side of the line. But the world changed faster than the model did. Customers wanted speed, businesses wanted... The wait was annoying. The transfers were worse. But the real breaking point, having to repeat the same issue over and over again. For customers to work for it. And once better experiences appeared, people didn't look back. Call centers made sense in their time. But technology changed the rules. A model built for another era started showing its age. This wasn't just decline. It was mismatch. The call center didn't just become a workplace, it became a stop while centers measured everything. The goal was efficiency, but too often the result was rushed support and exhausted work. Service suffers. After hours, the silence says everything. These rooms once ran non-stop, but even before the seats emptied, the cracks were there. The office remained standing, and in that silence, you can hear what comes next. Support demand kept growing, but staffing didn't. Hiring was slow, training took time, turnover stayed high. Traditional call centers depended on constant human availability. That made them... Let me connect you.
Again, this is the third time.
That department handles billing.
I've explained this already.
But to the customer, it felt like no one actually owned the problem. Before support became instant, it looked like this. Rows of agents, endless queues, manual notes, transfers, escalations, waiting. Then technology changed the baseline. The job wasn't just answering questions. It was staying calm under pressure. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. I appreciate your patience. And over time, that invisible cost became impossible to ignore. The world doesn't stop after 5 p.m. Customers are everywhere, all the time, in different time zones, on different schedules. Traditional call centers were built around shifts, staffing, and office hours. The old model depended on a physical place, desks, commutes, attendance, supervision, but the business world changed. Companies' re-office stopped being essential. The old, a giant room full of headsets to provide to unravel. This didn't happen because one company built a better phone room. It happened because support itself evolved. AI voice agents, self-service, smarter routing, automation, omnichannel workflow is a smarter system. For decades, call centers were the face of customer support, but the world changed around them, so it didn't collapse in one day. They were outgrown.